Hey guys, it's Tech Khalifa. So today I would like to show you how to get an invisible name on a Facebook profile. So you can find many guys doing these tricks, So I'd like to give you a straightforward one that is going to be, that is going to be around this edge, not more than this. So the invisibility is going to be around this edge. So you have to stay tuned to the end of the video. I do make tech videos. If you enjoy tech videos like Facebook tricks and the likes, so you can just subscribe to the channel, like this video to make it get discovered by others as well. So first and foremost, what you have to do is simply to head to your settings. Click on this three parallel dots, this three parallel line at the top right corner, and then you can come to this section. So click on settings, and once you click on settings, then you can see personal and account information. So click on this and it will load up. So click on edit, the name section, edit it. And as you can see, so once you change your name today, you won't be able to change it for the next 60 days coming. So you have to quick disclaimer. I do not support you doing this, and you have to take note that once you change your name today, you won't be able to change it back till the next 60 days. So first of all, put your first name section. But before then, I'm going to give you an invisible symbol for you to replace it with this name. So go to the description of this video now. There's a link to my blog post where you find the symbol there. So just make sure to go there and copy the link. Let's try it. So this is the link. This is my blogspot post about an invisible Facebook profile. So this is gonna load up, and once it loads up like this, just click on the link in the description. You're going to find this invisible symbol here in brackets. So just make sure to copy it. Copy it like this. Just make sure to copy it fully. And you can see, once it's copied, click on copy. And you can see my, I'm trying to give a commentary here. Copy the text in the blog above and follow my video to get an invisible Facebook profile name. So let's get back to Facebook. You can see the first name section here. Paste what you copied. And then in the other section here, in the surname section, paste it once again. But make sure to delete the brackets. Delete the brackets. Be gentle and attentive. Just delete the brackets. You can see. So there's no bracket, but it's left with some little symbols there. So just click on review changes. Review change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the magic. Boom, guys, you can see. So here is how your Facebook profile is going to look like. So but before then, let's try to input our password to confirm everything for it to save the changes. So let's input my password.
Here is God, God.
Whoa.
You be mumu.
Finally, I've input my password. So let's click on save changes. So guys, so my Facebook name is now invisible. So let's try to check it on my Facebook profile. So this is the first one, right? So let's take the screenshots once again, and then let's save it. Let's try to refresh this now. Let's refresh it for you to know if I'm speaking the truth or not. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Load up. You can see, guys, so it's now invisible, man. It's invisible now. So I don't really advise you to try this thing with your main Facebook, account. Maybe, you can just, try to check some things up, but I don't really advise you guys. So once you go there, you won't find any name there again. So here's how it looks. If you really enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on WhatsApp and everywhere on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notification, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. And stay blessed. Peace out.